कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतकेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। I am Jagannath Pandit JP sir, bowing my head in front of you. The highest in me bows down the highest in you. As you all know, today is a great day, and the process of Gita talk is going on. The series is going on. Now we are in the chapter number 11, which is a very crucial chapter of this Gita, because in this chapter God is giving his form, which is infinite form. Okay, that the powerful form, the chapter number 11, that is called as Vistarvadarsana Yoga. So this is going to be one of the beautiful chapters. So my dear viewers, those are watching this video, please listen carefully all these things. And now we are in the chapter number 11. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and give more and more love from your side. That's why it will be grow. And as you all know, our holy book is Gita. We must listen somehow Gita every day, because that gives us so much satisfaction to our mind, and our body all become purified with these words. Thank you. Let's dive into the Gita chapter number 11. Arjuna Vacha Madanugrahaaya Paramang Guhyamadhyatma Sangitam Jatyo Yuktang Bachastena Mohoyang Vigato Mama. Arjun said, thanks to the most profound words of spiritual wisdom that you have spoken out of kindness to me, this delusion of mine has entirely disappeared. Bhavaptayo hi bhutanang srutto vistaso maya Tvata kamalapatrakhya mahatmyam api chabhyayam. For Krishna, I have heard from you in detail an account of the evolution and dissolution of beings, and also your immortal glory. एवमेतद्यथार्थ तथा त्वमात्मनं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपमैश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम. Lord, you are precisely what you declare yourself to be, but I long to see your divine form possessed of wisdom, glory, energy, strength, valor, and effulgence, O Purushottam, the Supreme Being. मन्मसे यदि तच्छक्त्वं मया द्रष्टुमिति प्रभो योगेश्वरो ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम्. Krishna, if you think that it can be seen by me, then, O Lord of Yoga, reveal to me your imperishable form. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Pasyami Partharupani Satastota Sahasrata Nana Vidhani Divyani Nana Varnakrutini Cha. Shri Bhagavan said, Arjun, behold my manifold, multifarious divine forms of various colors and shapes in their hundreds and thousands. Pasyadityanya surundindrani sindamarutasada bahunya drashtupurvani pasyasarchani varata. Behold in me, Arjun, the 12 sons of Aditi, the 8 Basus, the 11 Rudras, the 2 Ashwini Kumaras, the twin-born physician of gods, and the 49 Marutas, wind gods, and the witness many more wonderful forms never seen before. Ihekastam jagat krishnam pasyadhyatharacharang mama dehe gudakesa yachanyad drashtumichasi. Arjun, behold us concentrated within this body of mine, the entire creation consisting of both the moving and unmoving beings, and whatever else you desire to see in me. Natu man sakyase drashtu manenaiva chakshusha divyang dadami te takyuhu pasyami yogamaiswaram. But surely you can't see me with these physical eyes of yours. Therefore, I vouchsafe to you the divine eye. With this you behold my divine power of yoga. Sanjay Uvacha एवं मुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरिः दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम्. Sanjay said, my lord, having spoken thus, Sri Krishna, the supreme master of yoga, forthwith revealed to Arjuna his supremely glorious divine form. अनेक भक्त नयनम अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनं अनेक दिव्यभरणं दिव्यनौकाद्युतायुधं दिव्यमल्लाम्बरधरं दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनं सर्वाश्चर्यमयं देवमनन्तं विश्वतोमुखम्. Arjun saw the supreme deity possessing many mouths and eyes, presenting many a wonderful sight, decked with many divine ornaments, wielding many uplifted divine weapons, wearing divine garlands and vestments, anointed all over with divine fragrances, full of all wonders infinite and having faces of all sides. दिवि सूर्य सहस्रस्य भगेद्युवदुत्थिताम् यदि भा सदृशी सा श्रद्धा समस्तस्य महात्मनः. If there be the effulgence of 1,000 suns bursting forth all at once in the sky, even that would hardly be like the splendor of the mighty Lord. तत्रैकस्तं जगत्कृष्णं प्रविभक्तमनेककथाम् अपश्येदेकदेवस्य शरीरं पाण्डवसदा. Concentrated at one place in the person of that supreme deity, Arjun then beheld the whole universe with its manifold divisions. Tata sa vismayavisto hrustarooma dhananjaya pranamya shirasa devam kutanjaliri bhatata. Then Arjun, full of wonder and with the hair standing on end, reverently bowed his head to the divine Lord and with his folded hands addressed him thus. Arjuna Vacha Pasyami Devasava Devi Dehe Sarvam Tata Bhuta Vishesavanganam Brahmanam Brahmanami Sankamalapasta Mృతిస్థ Sarvanurangapadivyana. Arjuna said, Lord, behold with your body all gods and hosts of different beings, Brahma throned on his lotus seat, Shiva and all rishi of and celestial serpents. अनेक बाहु दुरवक्त नेत्रं पश्यामि तं सर्वतो अनन्तरूपं नान्तं न मध्यं न पुनस्तवादिं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूपं. O Lord of the universe, I see you endowed with numerous arms, bellies, mouths and eyes having innumerable forms extended on all sides. O Lord, manifested as you are in the form of the universe, I see neither your beginning nor middle nor even your end. Kiritinang gadinang chakrinang cha tejurasing sarbato diptimantam pasyami tvang dunirikshang savanta divtana lokadrutim prameyam. I see you endowed with the diadem, mace and discus, a mass splendor, glowing all around, having the brilliance of a blazing fire and the sun, hard to gaze at and immeasurable on all sides. Tamaksharang paramang viditavyang tamasya vissasya parang nidanang tamabhya sasvata dharma gupta sanatanastvang puruso mato me. You are the supreme, imperishable, worthy of being known. You are the ultimate refuge of this universe. You are again the protector of the ageless dharma. I consider you to be the eternal primal being. Anadi madhyantana virjang manantabahum jurjanetrang pasyami tvang dipta hutasamaktrang shotijasa viswamidang tapantam. I see you without beginning, middle or end, possessing unlimited powers and endowed with numberless arms, having the moon and the sun for your eyes and blazing fire for your mouth and scorching this universe by your radiance. Deva prithivyoridamantarang hi vyaptang tvayekena disascha parvaha društvaabdatang rupamugrang tvavedang lokatrayang prabhyathitam mahatmana. The whole space between heaven and earth and all the quarters are entirely filled by you alone. Seeing this transcendent dreadful form of yours, O soul of the universe, all the three worlds feel greatly alarmed. Ami hitvang sura sangha visanti कोचित् गीता प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति स्वस्तित्युक्ता महर्षि सिद्ध संगा स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः. All the host of gods are entering you, some with palms joined out of fear are recounting your names and glories. Multitudes of mahorshis and siddhas saying, let there be peace, are extolling you by excellent hymns. रुद्रादित्य बसवो जित सद्या विश्व विशीनो मरुत सोमपाश्च गंधर्व दक्षासुर सिद्ध संगा भिक्षन्ते त्वां Vismitastaiva sarve. The 11 Rudra, 12 Adityas and 8 Vasus. The Sandhya, the Vishadevas, the 2 Ashwini Kumars and the 49 Marutas, as well as the mains and the multinates of Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, Siddhas, all these gaze upon you in amazement. Rupang Mahate Bahuvakta Netrang Mahabaho Bahubhavrupadam Bahudurang Bahudrashtakarang Drishtva Lokaha Prabhyatita Tastam. Lord, seeing this stupendous and dreadful form of yours, possessing numerous mouths and eyes, many arms, thighs and feet, many bellies and many teeth, the walls are terror-stricken, Swamai. Navasprussang diptamaneka karnam varnang datananang dipti visalanetram društva hitvang prabhyathitanantaratma dhruting na bindami samang cha Vishnu. Lord, seeing your form reaching the heavens, effulgent, multicolored, having its mouth wide open and possessing large flaming eyes, I with my inmost self frightened have lost self-composure and find no peace. Drashta karalani jate mukhani dushtach baiva kalana sarintani vinani diso na jane na labheta sarame prasida devesa savannivasa. Seeing your faces frightful on account of their awesome teeth and blazing like the fire at the time of universal destruction, I am utterly bewildered and find no peace. Therefore, have mercy on me, O Lord of Celestials, O abode of the universe. Ami chatvang dhutarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaiva vanivara sangai Bhismo drunaha sugutaputra sadasau sahasmadiyerapi jajja mukhyaih भक्तानि ते ते परमाण विसन्ति द्रष्टा करलानि भयानकानि केचिद्विगणान् रसानन्तरेषु सदृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुतमाङ्गैः. All those sons of Dhritarashtra with the host of the kings are entering you. Bhisma, Drona and younger Karna with the principal warriors on our side as well are rushing headlong into your fearful mouths, looking all the more terrible on account of the dreadful teeth. Some are seen stuck up in the gaps between your teeth with their heads crossed. Jatha nadinang bhavambubega samudrameva vimukha savanti tatha tavami naralokavira visanti vaktranavi vijjalanti. As the myriad streams of rivers rush towards the sea alone, so do these warriors of the mortal world enter your flaming mouths. Yatha pradiptam jvalanam patanga visanti nasaya samruddha vegaha tathaiva nasaya visanti loka tavapi vaktrani samruddha vegaha. A moth rush with great speed into the blazing fire for extinction out of moha, infatuation. Even so, all these people are with great rapidly entering your mouths to meet their doom. Lilyate kasamana samanta lokana samagrav nadanni jalabdi tejo virapurya jagata samagrang bhasasta vigra pratapante Vishnu. Devouring all the walls through your flaming mouths and licking them on all sides, O Lord Vishnu. Your fiery rays fill the whole universe with their fierce radiance and are scorching it. Acha hi me ko bhavan ugra rupo namastu te deva vara prasida vigyatu michhami bhavantam adyam nahi prajanami tava prabhuting. Tell me who you are with a form so terrible. My obeisance to you, O best of gods, be kind to me. I wish to know you, the primal being, in particular, for I know not what you intend to do. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi Lokakya Kuta Prabhuddho Lokanma Samatuniya Prabhuta Rute Pitvang Avisyanti Sarve Yeva Sthitaha Pratyanike Siddhaha. Sri Bhagavan said, I am mighty Kala, eternal time spirit, the destroyer of the worlds. I am out to exterminate these people. Even without you, all those warriors arrayed in the enemy's camp shall die. Tasmat mudishta jasovalabhasva jitva satrubhum changrajyam samruddham मयेवेति नियता पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सख्यमाति. Therefore you do arise and win glory, conquering foes, enjoy the affluent kingdom. These warriors stand already slain by me, by you only an instrument Arjun. द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्ण तथा ज्ञानपीति युधा विरान मया हस्तस्त्वं जहिमा बतिष्ठा युद्धस्य जिताफिरणीरप शपथनान. To kill Drona and Bhishma and Jayadratha and Karna and other brave warriors who already stand killed by me. Fear not, fight and you will surely conquer the enemies in the war. Sanjay Vacha. Eta Shrutva Vajanam Kesavasya Kutanjaliirvipamana Kriti Namaskritya Bhayevaha Krishnam Sagadgatam Vidivita Pranamya. Sanjay said, hearing these words of Bhagavan Kesava, Arjun tremblingly bowed to him with folded hands and bowing again in extreme terror spoke to Sri Krishna in faltering accents. Arjuna was sthane hrudike satava prakritya jagatya husyatya anuranjati rakshansi vitani diso pravantra sankavanti sarve namasyanti tasidha sangaha. Arjuna said, Lord, well it is the universe exalts and is filled with love by chanting your name. Virtues and glory terrified Rakshasas are fleeing in all directions and all the host of Siddhas are bowing to you. Kasmachatena naren mahatmana gariyase brahmano yadi katre ananta devi sadagannivata tamaksharam sada tatat paranjata. O great soul, why should they not bow to you, who are the progenitor of Brahma himself and the greatest of great? O infinite Lord of celestials, O abode of the universe, you are that which is existence, that which is non-existence, and that which is beyond both, that is the imperishable Brahma. Tamadideva Purusha Purana Samasya Vistasya Paramang Nidhanam Vedasi Vedyam Cha Paramang Cha Dhama Tuyatata Visvamananta Rupam. You are the primal deity, the most ancient person. You are the ultimate resort of the universe. You are both the knower and the knowledge, and the highest abode. It is you who pervade the universe, O infinite one, achieving endless forms. Vayurjamogni varuna sasanka prajapatistang pravidamasya namo namastestu sahasrakritya punasya bhuyopi namo namaste. You are Vayu, the wind god, Yama, the god of death, Agni, the god of fire, Varuna, the god of water, and the moon god, Brahma, the lord of creation. Nay, the father of Brahma himself. Hail, hail you 1,000 times. Salutation repeated. Salutation to you once again. Nama purastaratha purushtaste namastuti sarvataiva sarva ananta vedyamida vikramastvam sarva samapno sadoshi sarva. O Lord of infinite powers, my salutations to you from the front and from behind, O soul of all my oceans, to you from all sides indeed. You who possess infinite might, pervade all, therefore you are all. Sakheti mattapasabhangyaduktam he Krishna he Jadava he Pageti ajanata mahimananta vedang maya pamadat pranayena vapi yachavaha sartham askritya setmi vihara sajjasana bhojanesu ekottha pachyuta satnata tasyamakhyam takshamaye tvamaham prameyam. This way in which I have been put importunately called you, either through intimacy or thoughtlessly. Hey Krishna, hey Jadava, O comrade, and so on, unaware of the greatness of yours and thinking you only to be a friend and the way in which you, O Achyuta, the infallible, have been slighted by me, a jest while at play, reposing, sitting, or at meals, either alone or even in the presence of others. For all that, O immeasurable Lord, I crave forgiveness from you. Pitasi lokasya tadaracharasya tamasya pujyasya gurugaryana na tassammityadhika kutanya lokatrayetya pratishtapabhava. You are the father of this moving and unmoving creation, nay, the greatest teacher worthy of adoration. O Lord of incomparable might, in all the three worlds there is none else even equal to you. How then can anyone be greater than you? Tasmat panamya panidaya karyam prasadeya tama avisamidyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakyu priya priyaya si devatadum. Therefore, Lord, Prostrating my body at your feet and bowing low, I seek to propitiate you, the ruler of all and worthy of all. Praise it behoves you to hear with me, even as the father bears with his son, a friend with his friend, and a husband with his beloved spouse. अदृष्टपूर्वं तस्मै दृष्ट्वा भयेन च कब्बजितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीदति जगन्निवास. Having seen your wondrous form which was never seen before, I feel transported with joy. At the same time my mind is tormented by fear. Pray, reveal to me that divine form, the form of Vishnu with four arms, O Lord of celestials, O abode of the universal, be gracious. किरीटिनं गदीनं चक्रास्तन्मिच्छामि त्वं द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण त्रिभुजेन सहस्रबाहो विश्वमूर्ते. I wish to see you adorned in the same way, with a diadem on the head and holding a mace and a discus in two of your hands. O Lord with 1,000 arms, O universal being, appear again in the same four-armed form. Sri Bhagavan uvacha maya prasannena tavarjunedan रूपं परं दर्शितमात्मजोगात् तेजोमयं विश्वमनन्तमाद्यं जन्मे तदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वं. So Bhagavan said, Arjun, pleased with you, I have shown my power of yoga, this supreme effulgent primal and infinite cosmic form which has never been seen before by anyone other than you. न वेदज्ञध्ययनेन दानेन च क्रियाविना तयोभिरुग्रे एवं रूप सख्यहं लोके द्रष्टुं तदन्येन कुरु प्रवीर. Arjun, in this mortal world I can't be seen in this form by anyone other than you, either through the study of the Vedas or by rituals, or again through the gifts, actions or austere penances. Mate betha macha vimudavavo društva rupam dhira midrun samedam dapetabi pritamanaha punastvang tadeva me rupamidam prapasya. Seeing such a dreadful form of mine as this, do not be perturbed or perplexed. With a fearless and tranquil mind, behold once again the same four-armed form of mine, bearing the conch, discus, mace, and lotus. Sanjay Vach. Ityarjunan Vasudeva Sato Yukta Swakang Rupang Darshayamasa Bhuya Aswasayamasa Tabhityamevan Bhutva Punah Samya Bhavur Mahatma. Sanjay said, having spoken thus to Arjun, Bhagavan Vasudeva again revealed to him his own four-armed form, and then assuming a genial form, the high-souled Sri Krishna consoled the frightened Arjun. Arjuna vacha drishtavedang manusang rupang tapasamyang janardana idanimasmi samvruttang sajita prakruting lataha. Arjuna said, Krishna, seeing this gentle human form of yours, I have regained my composure and my own self again. Sri Bhagavan uvacha sududasamidang rupang drishtavanasmi janmana deva apyayasya rupasya nityang darshana kankhinaha. Sri Bhagavan said, this form of mine with four arms which you have just seen is exceedingly difficult to behold. Even the gods are always eager to see this form. Nahang vedena tapasana danina tajisyang sakya evam vidho drashtum drishtavanasi manjatha. Neither by study of the Vedas, nor by penance, nor again by charity, nor even by rituals can I be seen in this form with four arms as you have seen me. Bhaktya tanannaya sakyahang me vividarjuna jantung drashtum tatattvena pravishtam cha parantapa. Though single-minded devotion, however, I can be seen in this form with four arms, nay, known in essence, and even entered into, O valiant Arjuna. Matkarma krunmat paramo madbhakta sangabharjitaha nirbiraha sarvabhutesu ja samameti pandava. Arjun, he who performs all his duties for my sake, depends on me, he devoted to me, has no attachment, and is free from malice towards all beings, reaches me. Thus, in the Upanishads sang by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 11th chapter, entitled The Yoga of the Vision of the Universal Form. Om Tassaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishadstu Brahma Vidyang Jivasastri Sri Krishna Arjuna Sambade Vistra Padarshana Joganama Ekasadhyaya. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।